Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shreya's e-learning. In this video we will cover following topics, that is first operations in Zn, then examples related to these operations, then properties and examples. Properties are based on the operations, and lastly I will give you new try by yourself questions at the end of the video. So now let's start with seeing the answers to the sums that I gave in my last video. So I gave two sums and here are the answers. 103 mod 15, the answer is 13, and minus 35 mod 6, answer is 1. Now let's continue further with our topics. So now we'll see operations in Zn. So there are three operations we can perform, that is in two steps. So these are binary operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication. And next step we perform mod operation. So a plus b mod n, a minus b mod n, and a into b mod n. So and we get the results as per the operation we perform. So now we will see the examples for this. Some examples are given here, so we will try solving one by one. So let's see the first one. Add 7 to 14 in Z15. So we have to perform operations in Zn. So the first thing we have to start with is try to compare with a mod n is equal to answer. So you have to find a and you have to find n. So now we'll start with finding n. So n, where we can find our n? So in our question, what is given? Add 7 to 14 in Z15. So assume here it is Zn. So if we compare with Zn compared with Z15, so we get n is equal to 15. And now we'll find a. So it is given in question that add 7 to 14. It means we have to perform addition operation in Zn. So adding 7 to 14 is 7 plus 14. So we get 21. So now we got our n and we got our a. So we can perform the mod operation. So a mod n, that is 21 mod 15. So we can calculate 21 divided by 15 minus 1 into 15. The way we always calculate, we can calculate it. So the answer is 6. Now we'll see the second example, that is subtract 11 from 7 in Z13. Right? So firstly we have to find n, compare with Zn. So if we compare this with Zn, so we get n is equal to 13. Now we have to find a. So what they have given here, subtract 11 from 7. We'll do 11 minus 7. No, that is wrong. This is a mistake. When it is given 11 from 7, it is not 11 minus 7. Either ways it is 7 minus 11. Because from 7 you have to subtract 11. And now this we get as 4. That is minus 4. Now simply we can perform mod operation. Minus 4 mod 13. As we saw in the previous videos, how to do the mod with the minus sign. Write the minus sign as it is. Then perform 4 mod 13. So 4 mod 13 is 4. but the answer is non-negative. So what we do? Minus 4 plus 13. So answer we get minus 4 mod 13 is equal to 9. Let's see the third sum, that is multiply 11 by 7 in Z20. Again we have to find n, so compare with Z and Z20. So n we get as 20. Now find a. So what they have said, multiply 11 by 7. So 11 into 7 is 77. So a is 77. Now we will find a mod n, that is 77 mod 20. We can calculate normally the way we do. So we get answer as 17. So now let us see the properties. Earlier we saw some operations related to Zn. So related to that operations there are three properties. So a plus b mod n is equal to, we can split the mod, that is a mod n plus b mod n and then whole mod n. So you will arise a doubt that why again the whole mod n. So we will see with the help of example that why we require whole mod n again. As we know, the answer of the mod should be always less than this n term, and if the answer of this is not less than n, then we have to perform this mod n again. So we'll see it in example. Second property is a minus b mod n. So we can split a mod n minus b mod n, again whole mod n. Third property is a into b mod n. So we'll split again a mod n into b mod n, again whole mod n. So let's see example. So here this example is given, and we will apply the first property because these are very big numbers, and let's try to solve by simple method. So we'll apply the first property here. So assuming this as a, this as b, so we will do a mod n, and here we will do b mod n. N is 11. So a mod n, b mod n. So answer of this a mod n is 8. Answer of this b mod n is 9. So if we calculate 8 plus 9, that becomes 17, and 17 is bigger than n. So we perform this mod n. So 17 mod 11. Answer we get as 6. So simply we can write the examples for second and third property. I'll give you all solve by yourself sums at the end of the video so that you can find it together. Now again we have a small thing, like if there are powers of 10 in 10 mod n. Sometimes while calculating we require powers of 10. So it's like we use the third property multiple times. 10 raised to n mod x. So we can write it as 10 mod x whole raised to n. Example, we can take 10 raised to n mod 3, that we can find like 10 mod 3 whole raised to n. These are try by yourself sums, and I will give the answers to these in my next video. Also, we will be starting with inverses in my next video. Do like, share, subscribe my video and comment down below. And also click the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.